Received an ED file from a colleague who uses diagramming software. This is a project file from a versatile visual design tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, and export these EdrawMax diagram files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest ED cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. ED files are diagram document files, created by EdrawMax, the comprehensive diagramming and visual design application by Wondershare. They contain flowcharts, organizational charts, network diagrams, floor plans, mind maps, UML diagrams, and other visual layouts, with shapes connectors, text labels, and formatting properties. EdrawMax ED files use a proprietary compressed format, storing canvas definitions, shape objects, connector routing paths, text content, formatting styles, layer organization, and page layout properties. The format supports custom shape libraries, embedded images, and theme-based styling for professional diagram presentation. The core professional tool for handling the ED format is EdrawMax from Wondershare technology. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows offers only a static snapshot, so interactive editing depends on design software. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your ED file and select Open with. Test EdrawMax if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. When your ED file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in EdrawMax. Launch EdrawMax and open the ED file using File, then Open. The diagram displays with all shapes, connectors text, and formatting intact. Navigate multiple pages using the Page tabs at the bottom. Use the property panels on the right to inspect and modify shape, attributes, connector styles, and text formatting. Next, viewing without EdrawMax. If you do not have EdrawMax, download the free trial from edrawsoft.com, which allows you to open and view ED files. Alternatively, ask the creator to export the diagram as PDF, SVG, or PNG for viewing in standard applications. EdrawMax Viewer may also be available as a free viewing option. Finally, exporting to other formats. In EdrawMax, export the diagram using File, then Export and Send. Choose from PDF, SVG, PNG, JPEG, HTML, Visio, or PowerPoint formats. PDF preserves visual fidelity, while Visio export creates compatibility with Microsoft Visio. SVG format enables editing in Inkscape or other vector graphics editors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.